Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. June 2, Friday, our market closed higher today up 81.43 points or up 1.27% to close at 6,512.01. Value turnovers at 4.06 billion pesos. So as you know, the market is just trading sideways for the past 3 months. There's nothing going on with our market right now. So, up, down, the balance. No? There will be some opportunities in the market. Those second liners are moving. And this morning, actually, yesterday afternoon, PSE announced the suspension of Vulcan mining. And this morning naman, it's Spnec. So, both companies already got SEC's approval for their increase in authorized capital stock. No? So, people have been waiting for this since last year. When kaya increase authorized capital stock? When? So, the day has come. It's already approved. No? So, congratulations. No? So, Vulcan as a shell company will now be East Coast Vulcan. It's the same ticker. But you know, the purpose here, of course, the East Coast Group is owned by the HPG Group, Hilario Pagatian, in which Nickel Asia is the one paying royalties, no, with regards to their Cagayanao mine. No? So last year they just generated around 600 million net income by doing nothing. No? So they're just sitting on their uh, shares and receiving royalties. So they own the MPSA there, Mineral Production Sharing Agreement. So it's Nickel Asia who's operating that mine. Uh, So by being a listed company, they will now have access to investors' money, so they can raise funds, so that they can be an operator of some nickel mines of our or some of their mines. So let's see. Of course, their target is really uh, to access investors' money. So they will have 6 months to do that. Of course, they have been planning for this since last year. Kung di nila alam to, I don't know what happened there. Of course, PSE released the minimum public ownership rule last 2020. So all those doing IPO and reverse takeover slash backdoor are required to have 20% public float. So December 2022 naman yung deadline for all index names to have a minimum public float of 20%. So let's see if how PSE will respond to the other listed companies who has below 20% and above 10% threshold. Remember, when a stock trades below 10%, they're automatically suspended. So yun. So there's still a lot of names out there. So gradual implementation tayo that. What happens now? Of course, there will be some private placements, follow-on offering. So they have 6 months to do that. Same way with Spnec. No? So just this morning, they also announced that Spnec already got the approval for their increase in authorized capital stock. This is also their issue for the past 15 months. No? So it's a challenging environment in which they need to figure this out. No? For investors na who cannot wait, they keep on asking when increase in authorized capital stock. Yun yung mas importante sa kanila. Why? They want to make money immediately. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Just imagine kung last year, na-suspend si SPNEC kaagad. So how will they respond to that? They only have 6 months to comply, no? To increase their public float. How will you find investors for that? So for the past 18 months, SPNEC has been busy doing private placements in preparation for this. Right now, post asset for share swap, I think the public float will drop to 18% for Spinec. Of course, that's still below 20%. At least, konti na lang. No? And may reach nila yung 20% public float. So if you don't know, Manny Pangilinan entered already in Spinec at 1 peso and 25 centavos. That's the first tranche. Of course, Manny Pangilinan uh, can increase their stake. Will he increase his stake in Spinec post asset infusion. No? So talagang nakaplano na yan. It's just nga, some investors are really, uh, I don't know, no? They keep on asking when increase in authorized capital stock since last year, no? So, that's the problem eh. Cannot wait. Hirap talaga. So, yun naman, no? So, and people think that this is a bad omen because it was suspended. So actually, it's a blessing. At least by being suspended, hindi na siya malaro, no? Post negotiations. At least we all know na tuloy na. This is it. So Spnec will now be part of a bigger group. So from a one project, it will be a company that owns several uh, DOE contracts. That's very valuable right now. No? So that's the DOE, Department of Energy contracts are very valuable kasi iilan lang naman na awardan doon. No? So by getting an anchor investor in Manny Pangilinan, Spinec can now roll out their projects faster. So yun, congratulations. No? So sa wakas, this is the day we've been waiting for. So AEV, Metrobank, Tel, AGI, AC close higher no Monday. No, after the MSCI rebalancing, there's still some funds who's selling. Di pa talaga tapos eh. No? UBP, EMI is also down. MPI, close lower. As you all know naman, wala na tayong MPI. I'm also looking to buy back MPI if it ever goes lower. But hirap eh. No? It's now 4 pesos and 35 centavos. Medyo alanganin dyan. Of course, the buyers of MPI right now thinks that there will be a tender offer. If you think that there will be a tender offer at least at 4 peso and 63 centavos, keep buying MPI. But ako mismo, no, umexit na ako. Uh, cannot wait na eh. Of course, you need to factor in also the charges on, of course, the value of money. So, of course, the excuse of Manny Pangilinan is just waiting for that uh, fairness opinion report. So let's see if it is really fair or unfair. No? Due diligence takes at least 60 days. Mabilis na yan kung kaya nila in 30 days. No? But I don't know. So it will take time. Ako naman, when we bought that, around 350, 360. Those are the times na MPI is trading lagging behind. And zero risk-free rate na yun eh. Talaga at 350, 360, it was a screaming buy. And I inform you, we bought MPI that time. I will not buy at 4 pesos and 40 centavos for a possible tender offer at 4 pesos and 63. Medyo we need to manage our risk there. Pero alanganin eh. So good luck to that. So of course MPI, no? And also raise funds through listing their subsidiaries. That's also possible. So I don't know if that is the real reason why they're delaying, or at least we have not seen the fairness valuation report. Anyway, Alter, no? And its subsidiary, no? Uh, they inaugurated the largest solar battery energy storage system in Palau. No? So this is also part of their prospectus before. Of course, Alter has been lagging. No? So after that IPO, after that stabilization fund, nahulog na siya. No? Figaro was also approved by PESA for their application for at least pag PESA accredited kasi area, no? There, you have a very favorable uh, tax rate. No? But congratulations also to Figaro Group. No? I think they already have 100 stores nationwide. No? So it's they're continuously expanding. No? Their crown jewel is really Angel's Pizza. Globe, their payment arm, no, si GCash, is now accepted in other countries, UK, France, Germany. No? So anyway, it's now trading near 1,600 pesos. Nickel, no, it's something na I've been monitoring since it broke that 6 pesos. We were able to catch kanina, no, at near, yun alamin saan presyo, no. So, of course, it ended higher rin, but you can see the spread there. Lalayo, kaya masarap mag-place ng mga GTC here, no. If you know how a stock behaves, you can day trade them. So AC, yan. Yung mga sarap i-trade lang natin, no? Because the market will not probably go anywhere. No? So just range trade some some names, no? Plus, no? 2 days down na. So let's see if we can buyback some of our shares there. TFHI surges today, no? So as you know, Far East Holdings will subscribe to 45 million of TFHI shares at 241 pesos. So it was put on a 1 hour trading suspension kanina, trading hold. Tapos nilaro. So congratulations to those who made money there. Semirara, Emrate, Frutas, we already discussed that. Spnec, the public note is really down. Spnec. Dito, no? So, after dropping the past few days, continues to go up na rin. PHR also announced yun nga, they want to issue new shares at least to raise funds for their for their uh, Cebu casino. Of course, it's now trading below par value. DFNN. Trading suspension of for DFNN will be lifted on Monday. So, yun lang naman. Again, happy weekend. Our passcode for today is Nicola. Of course, that's the best player for today's game, no? Si Nikola Jokic. Galing talaga. No? Tinambakan ng Miami Heats. Congratulations, Denver Nuggets. So, sana di naman solar eclipse tong si Spnec, no? So, it will take some time for that placements. But negotiations have started. Tagal na yan. No? For the placement post increase in authorized capital stock. You don't talk to investors upon approval ng increase in authorized capital stock. You've been talking since last year. You've been negotiating for that. Kasi kung ngayon ka pa lang makipag-usap, no, it will take time. Due diligence for a foreign company to enter into a listed company takes at least 3 to 4 months. So yun. Yun lang naman issue doon. So payawan ko paano naging omen yun. ICL Real Resio, Gerger, Michael, Jennifer, Angel Ero, Rudy Salvatierra, Richard Dondalo, Campo JDN, Yongko Shax, Elbran, no? Jocelyn Alcober, Lloyd Forger, Jerwan, Abanilla, Emerson, Bonnie 24, Jason Chan, and John Edison Aquino. Thank you very much for listening. Stay safe. Bye.